Hello everybody, I'm Little Separator. I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. So today we're going to be looking at a set number 60158 from Lego City, and it was released in 2017. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this Jungle Explorer over here. So this Jungle Explorer has a sort of medium brown top with plenty of pockets on the front over here and some green rope across the shoulder. A sort of light brown cap to shield his eyes and a well-kept beard, a nice smiley face and some brown eyebrows. And we've got some plain dark blue trousers, and on the back over here we have some more green rope going across the shoulder and the cable attaching to the radio at the belt. Our second minifigure is this helicopter pilot over here. She's got quite a lot of straps and belts going all across her torso, the same brown used as in the Jungle Explorer. This helmet is white with a black tinted opening visor like this. A very brave female face, and round the back we have even more of these straps. This set comes with this small Jungle Explorer's quad bike. So it's following the Jungle Explorer's color scheme with this sort of light yellow-orange color going all over here, and this quad bike is set very high up on these 11mm wheels. It's got a very high clearance and chunkiness, so it can handle rough terrain very nice and easily. So at the front we've got two standard headlights and a bar over here as a bumper. On the front we have a sticker 60158 on this cheese slope over here, which is the number of this set, and we've got some very high up mud guards. We've got space for one minifigure over here with these dark grey handlebars. At the back we have some red brake lights over here and another bumper, so it seems like that this is also road legal. You can take it out onto the street if you want. And at the back we've got this sort of bar element piece to make it look really nice and stocky. You can obviously clip onto these handles over here on the side if you have some accessories to clip on, or you can hold them onto these bars if they want to ride. Okay. On top of here we've got a few extra clips. At the moment they're holding this sort of sword-like dagger thing in a nice shiny silver color, and of course you can attach any accessories you like here as well. We also have a dark grey jumper plate in case you have to put something else there instead. Now, to get a little bit of a feel for the jungle, we have this piece of the jungle over here. So first of all we have this sort of half structure, looks sort of Incan or Aztecs, made out of this sort of cream, sort of like stone brick design, and is covered in leaves over here. Now these leaves are free swinging, so you can get one of these sword like dagger things and you can chop it out of the way like this. Very nice action feature over there. Now inside of this sort of temple build we have a golden goblet, a little bit of treasure for the Jungle Explorers to find. We've got these columns slightly textured, which also adds to the feel of this run down sort of place. Also the roof is missing some pieces as well. This is intended to make it look old and run down. We've got some green elements to have some leaves growing in amongst the cracks. And over here on the side we have a tree growing up the side of the temple, which sort of is merging into a sort of growing up the stonework. We've got some brown sort of rooty designs here at the base, and we've got these inverted slopes, you know, sort of giving the feel of branches growing upwards. And we've got some more leaf elements over here, and this red tarantula spider. This spider has 8 very long legs, very big body. We've got 6 eyes on it and 2 talons at the front. Now let's take a break and look at the fact of the day. So the fact of the day is the Amazon, the largest tropical rainforest in the world, is home to around 2.5 million insect species. They can expect to find a lot of bugs in the jungle. And now it's time for the main part of this set, and it is this jungle cargo helicopter. So it's following the Jungle Explorer's design with all of this lovely bright yellow, orange. I'm going to take these rotors off for a sec so we can take a closer look at the design. So up here at the front we've got this a light blue cockpit which opens up nice and easily to reveal the single seat that we have inside. We also get this single joystick over here to make it very easy to control, and these slow pieces to add a little bit more to the design. The base of the cockpit is rounded, and on the side we have these headlights to guide the way a little bit. So over here on this side we have another sticker, the jungle logo over here with the leopard looking through the grass surrounded by the compass, and we also have the fuel inlet over here with a little marking to show that this is the fuel, while on the other side of the craft we have the same logo, but this time we have a little danger sign which can be used for multiple uses. Going up the side we also have a lot of orange. The back of the cockpit is sliding upwards to reveal all this space at the back here. And at the side over here we've got these orange panels attached to the legs of the helicopter, which are holding up a wheel on each end of the helicopter over here. We also have the third wheel up front over here. Now if we go up to the top of the helicopter over here, we have these black cog pieces which are used for the winch, which I'll show you in just a bit. We also have these guide lights over here, these red over here, and these green on this side as well for our light positioning. And we have this small panel piece over here with another sticker with the same number again, and looks like some duct design over here too. Now there's plenty of space where the belly of the helicopter should be, and that's because we have this winch over here. So you can use these cogs to let down the winch just like this, very nice and easy to do. And this winch reaches out 40 centimeters. It goes really far down for a helicopter of this size. And we do have something to carry, I'll show you in just a bit. But first let's have a look at the top of the helicopter over here. So here we have the connector where we're going to attach the helicopter blades back on in just a bit, but we also have some sort of stocky sort of engine design. Well, this is where the engine would be, and we've got some of these pieces over here to provide as exhaust. The tail part of the helicopter has a little bit of style with these long slope pieces, and it's very good as a carry handle when you're flying the helicopter about. And at the very end of this helicopter we have the tail propeller over here on this nice Technic piece that we have here. So the propeller of this helicopter is made out of 4 blades over here, 4 black blades, and they're spinning freely on this pin that we have over here. Now each of these propeller blades have a sticker on them with sort of 3 orange stripes over here. So when you spin it fastly, you should be able to see the ends of the propellers so you know where you're going, and to be a little bit of cautious where you're putting your propellers. So the dimensions of this helicopter is 19 centimeters radius for the propellers, and it reaches up from front to back 22 centimeters, and the widest point of the wheels is around 19 centimeters. So it is a pretty small craft that can go just about everywhere. And finally we get this small supply crate which can be used to deliver things to the jungle. Now it's a simple crate piece with a opening lid just like this, and you can put some stuff inside. For instance, if you were to take the golden goblet from the sort of temple build over there, you can just put it in there and stick the lid back on. And we also have this connector over here to attach to a winch. So we can get this helicopter with the winch let down, and we can simply hook on to this crate over here, and take it away. And as the winch line is so long, you don't even need to land this helicopter. After all, this is the jungle, and in real life circumstances landing a helicopter in the jungle would be tricky. So this is a very realistic play design. That's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!